I'm on the Holly Springs Greenway trails. We parked right here at the Veterans Park, went around the pond, cut across some streets, and then we came all the way up here and we're headed back. More or less the wetlands of Holly Springs. This is a nice little trail. It has boardwalk, concrete, neighborhoods that you have to walk through, dirt, mud, a little bit of everything. It's kind of muddy today. This is the wetlands in Holly Springs.
Well, we're doing well. Thank you.
You gotta watch the ice. Look at the ice on him. Okay, the highlight of this trail was the hawk. That was great. See a squirrel on the side? This is Holly Springs Greenway. It's been some concrete, some neighborhoods, some boardwalks, and some mud, just dirt trail. A little bit of everything on this trail. And anyway, I left Dad back there a little ways. He's tired. He didn't want to finish it, so I'll pick him up on the way back.